Hey everyone! We all want to look and feel our best, right? Aging is a natural part of life, but that doesn't mean we can't age gracefully. The key is to take care of ourselves, inside and out. That's where anti-aging comes in. It's not about stopping time, but about feeling confident and radiant in our own skin. We're here to break down the secrets of youthful aging in a way that's easy to understand and even easier to follow. No more complicated jargon or expensive treatments. Just simple, effective tips that fit into your daily life. Ready to unlock your most youthful self? Let's get started. The foundation of any good anti-aging strategy? A consistent skincare routine. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It's something you do every day to maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. A basic routine should include cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and protecting. Cleansing removes dirt and impurities, while exfoliating sloughs away dead skin cells, revealing brighter skin underneath. Moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated and plump, while sunscreen protects against harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about the fun stuff. Ingredients. Certain ingredients are like superheroes for your skin, fighting wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging. Retinol is a vitamin A derivative that boosts collagen production, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving skin texture. Peptides are chains of amino acids that help rebuild and repair skin cells, promoting elasticity and firmness. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, attracting and holding on to moisture for a plumper, more youthful appearance. Section 4. Beyond the cream. Lifestyle choices for youthful skin. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your skin, it's also about how you treat your body from the inside out. Lifestyle choices play a huge role in how we age. Eating a healthy, balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants can protect your skin from damage and promote collagen production. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin hydrated and flushes out toxins. Getting enough sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate, giving you a more youthful glow. And don't forget stress management. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin, so find healthy ways to cope, like exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Section 5. The future is now. Non-invasive treatments. Sometimes we need a little extra help in the fight against aging. That's where non-invasive treatments come in. These treatments can address specific concerns like wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and uneven skin tone. Chemical peels use a chemical solution to exfoliate the skin, revealing a smoother, brighter complexion. Microdermabrasion uses a special device to remove the top layer of skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Laser treatments can target specific concerns like age spots and broken capillaries, while injectables like Botox and fillers can minimize wrinkles and restore volume. Section 6. Embrace the journey. Small changes, big results. Remember, anti-aging is not about achieving perfection. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. It's a journey, not a destination. And it's all about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Start with a basic skincare routine, incorporate key ingredients, and make healthy lifestyle choices. And if you're interested in exploring non-invasive treatments, consult with a qualified dermatologist to find the best options for you. Embrace the aging process, celebrate your individuality, and remember, you are beautiful at every age.